Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to find lost laptop using Microsoft account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following it to the channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to get access to a particular laptop. So once you have an access to a particular laptop, what you need to do is to open up the Edge browser of that particular laptop. Then having opened up the Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top, the search engine right here, and type in Microsoft account. So simply hit on that and it's going to load up like so. Then you'll be asked to log in. So simply click on sign in right here. So once you sign in with your the username and the password, then it takes you to the particular account. Now, if the stolen laptop or the lost laptop, you have access to the Microsoft account username and password, what you need to do is to make sure you use it to log into the account. After you have successfully logged into the Microsoft account of the stolen laptop, next thing you need to do is to come to the sidebar right here, go to devices. So it's going to take you right here. Like I said earlier, the stolen or the lost laptop must have been signed in with Microsoft account. So with that, you'll be able to track the laptop and know the exact location of that particular laptop. Now, on getting to the Microsoft account of the stolen laptop, next thing you need to do is to find my device, locate any devices you are signing into. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Then you can simply zoom in and for you to be able to see all details about the map. Now, for you to track the exact area where the laptop is, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this particular sign right here, and make sure you click on find. And you have to wait for some minutes so you can see find my device, and administrator try to locate this device on account like so. Now, if the account, so at this point here, you will be given the detail at where the laptop is located. So as at the time of making this video, you can see this laptop here is locating at this particular section right here. Now, once you are able to locate where the laptop is, it is very much easy for you to get the particular person that stole that laptop. It's as simple as that. But make sure you log in with the Microsoft account of the stolen laptop. So with that, you will have the details of where your laptop belongs and where your laptop is. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.